Everyone talks about Maharashtra for its mega cities, its great beauty, its beaches, its coastline, its Maratha history and culture. But very few people know that it's also home to one of India's most delicious and exotic cuisines. We're going to be making a recipe from this great state today. That's coming up. If you find value in what we do, then consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon to stay notified whenever we make a new upload. Today, like I was saying, I am going to be making for you one of Maharashtra's and the Konkan coast's most popular dishes. It's not a seafood dish. In fact, we're going to be making a chicken recipe from the region, and it's called a Maharashtrian, or in fact a Malwani style chicken sukka. So without further ado, let's get down to checking out our ingredients for this delicious, spicy and flavorsome recipe. So let's check out our ingredients for our Malwani chicken sukka. तो ये रहे हमारे ingredients का list. ये हमारा मालवानी मसाला, our lovely Malwani Goda masala. Chicken, ½ kilo, cut into pieces. Turmeric, salt, hot chili powder, onions, green chili, sliced onions, grated coconut, इसे हम grind करेंगे, and then our Goda masala और Malwani masala spices, okay, dry red chilies और सारे जो गरम मसाले हैं, beautiful, look at that, and refined oil. Malwani cuisine is basically the cuisine of the coastal Maharashtrian region. So let's get down to making a couple of interesting components and then we'll make our Malwani style chicken sukka. तो चलिए सबसे पहले हम अपना मालवानी मसाला बना लेते हैं. तो पैन में मसालों को डालें, फिर जो नटमेग है उसे हम ग्रेट कर लेंगे इनटू द पैन इस तरीके से, एंड देन वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू ड्राई रोस्ट एवरीथिंग, यानी सारे स्पाइसेस को अच्छी तरह से वी आर गोइंग टू ड्राई रोस्ट, वी आर गोइंग टू रिलीज देयर ऑयल्स, वी आर गोइंग टू मेक देम इजी टू ग्राइंड. ओके, तो ये हो गए ब्यूटिफुली स्मोकी. इसे हम ग्राइंडर में डालेंगे और फिर हम इन्हें ग्राइंड कर देंगे. वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू ग्राइंड देम टू अ नाइस कोर्स पाउडर. ओके, जितना बारीक हो सके उतना आप इसे ग्राइंड कर लें. सो दैट इज डन. कोर्स पाउडर हो गया है. अब हम इन्हें कुंडी में ट्रांसफर कर लेंगे इनटू अ मोटर एंड फिर हम इन्हें ग्राइंड कर लेंगे टू अ नाइस फाइन पाउडर. ओके, सो नाइस एंड फाइन पाउडर, put it into an airtight container and keep it away. Done. Right, so now to make our ground onion and coconut masala, in a pan we add our refined oil, heat it up nicely. Into this we're going to add our onions. अब प्याज को हम अच्छी तरह से सौटे कर लेंगे until they are nice and soft. ये देखिए प्याज हमारे अब सॉफ्टन होना शुरू हो गए हैं, लगभग they are done. Beautiful, look at that. इन्हें हम साइड कर लेते हैं and now to the pan we can go ahead and add our lovely fresh grated coconut. Beautiful aroma, बहुत ही बढ़िया खुशबू आ रही है पैन से. अब मीडियम आंच पर on a medium heat we are just going to fry the onion and the coconut for a good 8 to 10 minutes, लगभग at least 8 to 10 minutes तक. We're going to fry it until the coconut and the onion is a lovely golden brown in color. ये देखिए बहुत ही बढ़िया खुशबू भी आ रही है, really nice and nutty in aroma. अब हम इन्हें ट्रांसफर कर देंगे to our grinder. A little bit of salt to help it grind, थोड़ा सा पानी. And now we're just going to grind the onion and coconut together to a nice coarse paste. थोड़ा और पानी डालेंगे and just grind it to a nice fine paste. So just take a look at that.
Beautiful ground paste. Yeah, that is done. Let's get it into a bowl.
So we'll put the paste into a bowl, put it into the fridge, and now quickly we can just quickly slice up our onions and make our aromatic paste for the base of the करी. ठीक है जी, तो करी बेस के लिए हमने अपने अनियंस को स्लाइस कर दिया है, अदरक लहसुन ग्रीन चिली का पेस्ट बना दिया है. पैन में तेल डालेंगे, गरम कर लेंगे. इनटू दैट गो द अनियंस. नाइसली जस्ट फ्राई देम अप until the onions begin to soften and take on a little bit of color. In goes the adrak lasan green chili paste, thoda sa namak, and now we're just going to gently saute and fry everything together to get a nice bit of color and cook out the rawness of the aromatics.
Golden in color, especially the garlic and the ginger. To this we're going to add our spice powders and chili powder. In that goes a little bit more salt, and now on a medium heat we'll just toast it out lightly. Toast out our spices for a minute or so, just to remove all that rawness from the spice powders.
Okay, so our spices are nicely toasted. थोड़ा सा पानी डालेंगे, add a little bit of water and then just deglaze the pan and cook out those spices. अच्छी तरह से हम मसालों को पका लेंगे थोड़ा सा पानी डाल के. एक बार ये सूख जाए मसाले या मसाला सूख जाए, we'll add a little more water and then again deglaze and yes, deglaze the pan thoroughly, scrape up all those pan deposits and then nicely cook it out. Okay, so the oil is separated, masala is cooked out. Into this we'll add our chicken. तो चिकन हमने डाल दिया है अपने मसाले में. अब ऊंचे आंच पे on a high heat we are just going to lightly fry the chicken in the masala until it's richly coated with that masala. Look at that. Okay, nicely coated with that masala and it takes on a lovely rich brown color. Up into this we'll add 1.5 tablespoons of our ground Malwani masala and then just fry the chicken in all those wonderful flavors. मसालों में अच्छी तरह से फ्राई कर देंगे till the chicken is richly coated in the flavors of the pan. थोड़ा सा पानी डालेंगे and then just deglaze the pan. सारे जो brown bits हैं pan के बेस पे उन्हें हम खुरेद लेंगे. Just incorporate it into the gravy or the masala. Look at that, beautiful. पानी अब सूख गया है. We'll add a little more water and then we're gonna cover it, let it cook away for a good 15 minutes till the chicken is almost done. Wow, look at that. Beautiful aroma, बहुत ही बढ़िया खुशबू आ रही है and that lovely dark brown color that is so important in this kind of dish. Finally हम अपना ground coconut और onion का मसाला paste जो है we'll add that to our chicken. Just mix it in nicely. एक उबाल पर ले आएंगे. We'll bring it to a boil. Then cover it and let it cook away for another 10 to 15 minutes or until the chicken is perfectly tender and the curry is cooked out. Look at that, beautiful. बहुत ही बढ़िया से चिकन जो है वो गल चुका है, मसाला पक चुका है and you've got that lovely rich copper brown color which is typical of any Malwani chicken dish. Okay, so finally हम उसे धीमे आंच पे we are going to reduce it. Okay, गाढ़ा कर लेंगे until it's nice and thick and a coating consistency, and then we're just going to serve our hot Malwani chicken steaming hot. Garnish with coriander. Done.
And this, my friends, is our version or my version. Now our version of a real coastal Maharashtrian favorite, a proper Malwani chicken sukka. Amazing. Okay, I'm going to give it a quick taste from here itself. Oh yeah. Woo! I know I'm not supposed to say it. You're not supposed to say it about your own cooking, but this turned out so good. This chicken is absolutely superb, super tender chicken, and that balance of that hot goda masala finished off with that ground watan paste, you know, that roasted coconut and onion. It brings a lovely sweetness to it. Of course, it thickens it up, gives it great body. But overall, it's spicy, but at the same time, it's got that lovely kind of exotic coconut and those kind of coastal Maharashtrian flavors, really butch, strong flavors coming through. We will see you next time. I will see you in my kitchen with more such exciting cooking from across the country and beyond. Till then, happy cooking.